Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, and if you have not already joined the fam, I would love it if you would click the subscribe button. I make videos about planning, books, and lifestyle. Today I'm here with my luxury handbag wish list. So I have it all written, of course, in my planner, and this is my pink A5 or half letter Martha Stewart discount planner. I have a video on this planner and I will link it above and below in case you're interested. So this is a list just of the handbags, so I'm not going to include any SLGs or accessories or anything, just handbags. And I'm going to split it up by the different brands. So I'm going to start with Louis Vuitton because my most wanted item on my wish list comes from Louis Vuitton. So that handbag is the Speedy 25 Bandelier in the Damier Ebene canvas. I love that bag. That is literally #1 on my wish list. If that bag was available in store, I would get it hands down ASAP. Okay, it actually became available this week and I missed the email. It was like the one day I slept in. It was raining really hard outside and I just did not get up how I usually get up at like 5 a.m. and it became available at 5:40 and I stayed in bed until like 7:30. So of course I did not get the bag, but hopefully soon that bag will be mine. And the next bag is the Alma, and I'm not sure if I want the Alma BB or the Alma PM. I'm definitely a handbag girl. Like I am definitely a girl who just carries her bag like right here. So the Alma PM would probably be perfect for me, but it's just something about the cute little Alma BB that I really like. So I'm torn. That bag also became available this past week and I didn't get it because I just don't know. I don't want to buy both. I don't want to really have to worry about selling anything, especially not my first bag. Like, I don't know, that means a lot to me. Like, I'm hoping that's something that I can pass down and my child can pass down and her child can pass down. Like, I don't know. Like, I have these like hopes for my first bag at least. So the next bag on my list is a Neo Noe. I hope I'm saying that right, but I really love that bag because it gives me that ability to get something in the monogram but without the leather. Like the I do not like it. So I love that you can get the monogram with like the black leather. That is so cute to me. I love the combinations together. So that's the one I would get. The next bag is the Neverfull MM in the Damier Ebene, and I think I want the one with the rose ballerine inside. That bag has actually been available a lot this past week and I haven't gotten it because while I do love that bag and I feel like I would use it like crazy between both of my jobs, both of my businesses, and just running around with life, whew, it's a lot. It's a lot of like, here I am. Louis Vuitton, like boom, big giant canvas bag, and I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I'm ready for that, but I do think it's like such a good bag, especially when you have a really busy life. The next bag on my list is the Up Matisse in the reverse monogram canvas, and I think this bag is so cute. It's such a cute, it looks very casual to me and I love it. I originally fell in love with the Favorite MM and I know that bag is discontinued. I wanted that bag so bad. And so the Up Matisse kind of gives me Favorite MM vibes and I love the reverse monogram. But I'm a little hesitant about this bag because of the reviews that I've seen where there's been issues with the canvas and the glazing and everything. So I'm a little hesitant, but I do love it. If it was a gift, I would wear that bag a lot. Speedy and the Alma are like very top, and if I get the Neverfull, I get it. I don't have to get it this year. Next, I want to go with YSL. So there are 3 YSL bags that I want. 2 of them are the same bag, just different colors. So that is the Toy Lulu, and green is my favorite color. If you are new to my channel, you may not have seen all of the green things that revolve around me. I love green. So I definitely want that bag in mint. And then the dark beige, I feel like that's such a good color and the bag will go with so many things in my closet. The next thing is the bold shopping bag by YSL, and I just feel like that's a very cute tote and I like that it's subtle. You can hide the little emblem, and when you want it to be shown, you can, you know, reveal it. So That I really like, and it's just it just seems like a great bag. Next, Givenchy. So of course, the small Antigona, and I love that bag in black. It literally gives me like boss CEO. She has her own brands, her own company, just making moves type of vibes. That's what I get from the small Antigona in black. I love that bag. I think it's so beautiful. That's really it. I don't really have any other bags that I really want. I wouldn't mind the Gucci Dionysus Super Mini bag, either in like maybe black or the canvas. I'm not sure. I think that's a really cute bag. If I were to get that bag, I'm eyeing it. I'm definitely eyeing it. There's an emerald one. You know, I love green, but I don't like how the chain and the little tiger things, or the logo or whatever it is, I don't like how the emblem and the chain are not the same tone. That would drive me crazy. That is my entire luxury handbag wish list for 2021. I hope that I'm able to get some of these bags. I've really been living this minimal lifestyle. Like, I have not bought a handbag in so long. I have one handbag that I got for Christmas 5 years ago, and whenever I see a bag and I kind of want it, I just take that money and save it. So literally, if I don't get like 3 handbags, I've saved for like a Louis Vuitton at this point. So I'm super excited to start getting bags. Hopefully something will come soon. Hopefully something will be available soon and I can get one of the items. But that's it. Let me know down below what your first luxury item was, or what's on your luxury item wish list for 2021. If you're new to this journey like me, let me know too. And even if you've been in this for a while, like, I'm really curious to know what your first bag was and if you still have it. So again, thank you so much for watching my channel, for subscribing to my channel, and just for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.